Hello friends, here I am going to teach you how to unwrap a face in Maya. So here I am opening my UV editor and I have already applied automatic mapping so that it can be spread like this as it is visible now. Now simply select all the edges and shift right click and just cut the UV. Each and every face is cut, and now you have to find the seam line where you want your seam. So I have the selected center edge. Usually in face we don't keep the seam at the front, so deselect the edges from the front. I will keep it till here. Yeah, this should be fine. And make sure that at the back everything is selected properly. Yeah, now it is selected. Now shift and deselect the selected one and select the unselected one. Now follow this command, move and sew. Shift right click, move and sew. Now select the whole cell and unfold it. Tantana, it's done. Maya is very great tool compared to 3ds Max. Here unwrapping is super fast and super easy. This face is properly unwrapped and you just need to make little bit of adjustment and it will be done. Yeah, see, each and everything is properly laid out. Now you can start your texturing. Perfect. You can enable the checkers from here and you can check everything is properly. Usually we keep the UV symmetrical. To make it symmetrical, just select the half faces and delete it and apply mirror. Before applying the mirror, make the center edge straight. Yeah, select this one. Yeah, after selecting it, we need to just scale it. You can keep the UV overlapping of the half faces also. So in the gaming pipeline we usually keep, you can overlap the half faces UV, or you can just do a mirror for symmetry. See, it is perfectly aligned. Now you just need to mirror the half face and then select the UV cell and mirror it to the other side and see from the center. It's done. It's a super fast unwrapping process in Maya. By this way you can unwrap anything in Maya. I will do some other objects also. So friends, don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get more tips and tricks like this in future. I will share a lot. Thank you.